Alex, and like you just mentioned, the heat expected to stay with us for several days.
Yeah, and the surge in temperature will create a heavier workload for air conditioning units. Projections from the National Energy Assistance Directors Association and the Center for Energy, Poverty and Climate show how much cooling your home may impact your electric bill this summer.
From June to September, people in Tennessee projected to spend an average of $774 in cooling costs. That's about a 10% increase from last year.
In Virginia, that number is $792, about a 7.4% increase from last year. News Channel 11's Clarice Shaley learned how you can cool your home efficiently without breaking the bank.
Just another hot day.
Business has been great. We've been really busy.
Where the calls don't slow down at Phil's Heating and Air. Owner Phil Allen and his workers going to call after call for air conditioners in the Tri-Cities.
A whole lot of bad compressors, it seems like, a lot of bad capacitors, things that we could catch if we were doing maintenance. People should do more preventive maintenance in the spring sooner than right when it hits in the middle of June.
Allen says some of these calls come from dirty air filters when an easy clean or replacement would save you money. And there are plenty of ways you can save on your bill. Like the Tennessee Valley Authority says, just moving your thermostat up by a few notches can save you up to 3% on your bill.
People don't realize, I think, how much you can really save by just ticking that up a degree or two.
Adam May with TVA says simple ways to save money and keep your home cool are closing blinds and curtains and turning off lights when you're not in the room. May agrees with Allen that an easy machine and bill saver is cleaning out your HVAC system filters.
That can really help your system perform as efficiently as possible. I know those dirty filters makes it more difficult for the system to pull air through, and that can really add up as well in cost.
May says HVAC systems in our region work as a dehumidifier along with cooling, making them work extra hard. Plus, he debunks a popular practice of yo-yoing the thermostat.
They think they're saving energy when in reality they're just making it more difficult for their HVAC system to keep up. You want to pick a temperature that feels comfortable to you, the highest temperature possible. Just leave it there throughout the day, and that way that system has a chance to stay where it needs to be, keep up, and be efficient.
In Gray, Clarice Shaley, News Channel 11.